If you want to record live TV but don't have a DVR, don't worry, you've got more options than you might think. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to record live TV without a DVR using your Sony TV and a few simple tools. Let's get into it. Traditionally, recording live TV required a cable box with a built-in DVR. But today, with smart TVs and streaming services, there are actually several ways to record or save live content without needing that bulky equipment. Option number one is using live TV streaming services with built-in cloud DVR. Services like YouTube TV, Hulu Plus, Live TV, and Sling TV allow you to record live channels directly to the cloud. That means you can save shows, sports, and movies and watch them later from your TV, phone, or even your computer. The best part is, there's no physical DVR needed. Everything is stored online. If your smart TV has apps like these installed, this is by far the easiest method. All you have to do is open the app, find the show you want, and select the record or add to library option. Option number two is using an antenna with a network-connected tuner. If you're watching free over-the-air channels with an antenna, you can use a device like an HD home run or similar tuner. These connect to your home network and allow you to watch and record live TV through an app on your smart TV. Some of these setups also offer DVR functionality through a subscription, letting you record local channels like ABC, NBC, CBS, and Fox. Option number three is using external recording devices. There are devices that connect between your TV source and your TV, allowing you to record content onto a USB drive or external storage. Now, this method can be a little more advanced and sometimes limited depending on your TV or content provider, but it's still an option if you want something more hands-on. Another option to consider is using your cable provider's app. Some cable companies offer apps that include cloud DVR features, meaning you can record shows directly through the app without needing a physical DVR box. So if you're already paying for cable, it's worth checking if your provider includes this. Now, here's something important to keep in mind. Not every method works with every type of content. Some apps and channels have restrictions on recording due to licensing, so your experience may vary depending on what you're trying to record. But overall, if you have a smart TV, you're not stuck anymore. Between streaming services, antenna setups, and cloud DVR options, recording live TV without a traditional DVR is easier than ever. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips just like this. And if you have a question about your specific TV or setup, drop it in the comments below. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.